Are you looking into engineering colleges for the 2026 admissions? Well, today we're taking a deep dive into A.K.T Memorial College of Engineering and Technology in Kallakurichi. Its TNEA Code is 1441. Let's get right into what this college has to offer.
Right off the bat, there are two things you'll really want to know. First, this is a college that's fully affiliated with Anna University. And second, it has permanent, on-campus hostels for both boys and girls. For parents, that often checks off two major boxes: academic quality and student safety.
So over the next few minutes, we're going to give you the complete picture. We'll cover its official identity, the programs it offers, what life on campus is like, and of course, what happens after graduation. The goal here is to help you make a really informed decision.
Okay, let's kick things off with the absolute basics. Where exactly is this college and what's its official status? These are the foundational facts you need for your shortlist.
A.K.T Memorial College is a self-financing institution. Now, the key thing to remember here is its affiliation with Anna University, Chennai. That means the entire curriculum, all the exams, and the degree you get at the end, it's all governed by the university's high standards.
Getting in is through the TNEA process, which is the statewide counseling system for engineering in Tamil Nadu. The seat split is pretty straightforward. 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota via counseling, and the other 35% are reserved for the management quota.
You'll find the college in Neelamangalam, which is in the Kallakurichi district. And what's really convenient is its location. It's just 3 kilometers away from the district headquarters. That's a huge plus for accessibility, transport, and just about everything else you might need.
You know, every college has a story, and understanding where A.K.T Memorial College comes from can give you a really good sense of where it's headed. The college started its journey back in 2009 with 4 core engineering branches. A few years later, in 2012, they added computer science to the mix. A big milestone came in 2019 when they got their ISO certification. But what's really interesting is what happened in 2023. They launched 2 very high-demand programs: artificial intelligence and data science, and information technology. That really shows they're keeping a close eye on what the tech industry needs right now.
All right, let's get to the most important question. What can you actually study here? Let's take a look at all the engineering disciplines available for the 2026 batch. For the upcoming academic year, the total AICTE-approved undergraduate seats is 420, and this number is spread out across 7 different branches of engineering.
So here's the full breakdown. You've got the foundational branches like civil, ECE, EEE, and mechanical. Computer science is the biggest department with 90 seats. But take a look at the highlighted ones. Those are the 2 brand new additions: artificial intelligence and data science, and information technology. These are the fields seeing explosive growth and career opportunities, which makes them really compelling options for today's students. Academics are obviously critical, but what about the day-to-day experience? Let's get a feel for what life and the learning environment are really like on campus.
The campus itself is spread over about 10 acres. As we mentioned, it has permanent, separate hostels for boys and girls, and the mess serves both veg and non-veg food. The whole campus is Wi-Fi enabled with a 100 Mbps connection, and the library offers digital access through Delnet. If you're commuting, there's college transport available, and the nearest railway station is in Chinnasalem, about 18 kilometers away.
Now, what about the teachers? The total sanctioned faculty strength is 86. Of them, 15 hold a PhD. This works out to a student-to-faculty ratio of about 14:1. That's a pretty important number because it gives you an idea of how much individual attention and mentorship you can expect to get from your professors.
This brings us to a section that's on everyone's mind: placements. What are the career outcomes, and what are the college's official credentials? Let's find out.
According to the data the college submitted for TNEA 2025, they've self-reported a 95% placement rate. That's a really strong number, and it speaks directly to the kind of career outcomes graduates can expect.
And it's not just about that final job offer. The college focuses on practical experience too. In the 2022-23 academic year alone, students completed 156 internships. That kind of hands-on industry exposure is invaluable when you enter the job market.
In terms of official recognition, the college holds AICTE approval for the 2025-26 academic year and has been ISO certified since 2019. They've also successfully secured research grants from major national bodies like DRDO and DST CERB. On top of that, the college is involved in important government skill development programs like Nayan Mudalvan and Nalaya Thiran.
And finally, let's talk about affordability.
What kind of financial support is available to help students manage the costs of their education? Students who are eligible can apply for a whole range of government scholarships. This includes support for SC/ST, BC/MBC/DNC, and minority communities. And of course, the popular First Graduate Scholarship. The college also says that it offers its own fee concessions for students from economically weaker backgrounds.
Just so you know, all the information we've shared today is based on what's available on the college's official website and other trusted government portals as of March 2026. It's always a good idea to double-check directly with the institution for the very latest updates.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.